Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use GasBuddy. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've heard of the GasBuddy app and you're wondering how it's actually going to save you money when it comes to buying gas. So this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's open up the GasBuddy app. Now, it's very, very simple to use. All you've got to do is click on Find Gas. And what it's going to do is that it's going to find the cheapest gas near you within a certain distance. So as you can see here, we have a 7-Eleven that's for $3.65, a 76 for $3.90, a Chevron, and then we also have a Costco that's $3.15, but it's a bit further away. So this is kind of the way that I use GasBuddy, where I basically just get the lowest prices for gas, and then I also take into consideration how far the gas station is. So let's say that we want to go with Costco, even though it's about a mile away. We'll just click on Costco, and then we'll just click on directions. And it should open up maps, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use GasBuddy. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.